What's going on guys, Pog here and welcome to today's unboxing video. Today I will be going ahead and unboxing the DJi Mavic Pro. I picked this up today from Costco. It was actually on sale. It turned out to be around like $1,207 Canadian. And it pretty much comes with a propeller guard, and also it comes with a carrying bag. Which is kind of bundled with the Costco edition. So I thought, why not to actually unbox this for you guys and show you what it comes with, what the packaging looks like, because you know at Costco you grab the card, you take it to the cashier, and then they kind of call it in to bring you the drone example. So this is my first drone. I've heard very good things about this, and here's kind of like the Transport Canada rules when it comes to the drones itself. Let me just try to get this better angle for you guys. So if you want, you can go ahead and pause this. This is kind of like the fly your drone with let's say properly and legally. So it gives me the information here. And we also have what the drone is capable of, which it has a 4K video and sport mode, which is a nice bonus there. And also it comes, like I mentioned, with the Costco bundle additional bag, which is pretty awesome. So here's pretty much what the box looks like. Let me just give a little distance there. There it is. All right. So here's kind of what it looks like. So just a gray box. My guess is when I open this up, I'm gonna have, let's say, maybe a bag separate and like an actual Mavic Pro box that people get when they just get the drone alone without Costco bundle. And then this one just has some stuff there, like date. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up from the side. All right, there it is, and then cut the top right over here. Okay, so put that away, and here we have it. So the first thing we have has a bag, I guess, for the bag itself. Nope, this one here is the propeller guards. Let's put this aside. And then over here we have the Mavic Pro itself. Let me put this away as well. And this one here seems to be the bag itself and nothing else in the box. I'm gonna move this away. There we go. All right, so here it is. Okay, so we've got the bag, the Mavic Pro, which is right over here, as well. We got the propeller guards. So it's a very nice way, I guess, to start learning how to fly. That being said, let's go ahead and move this aside and unbox the bag first. I'd like to see what the bag looks like. So, void if damaged. I don't know what that is. I don't know what's void on the box. That's my question to you guys. Let me know in the comments below. So we're going to go ahead and cut it up. And hopefully it is not damaged, because apparently something is void right now. Alright, so here we have it. We've got the bag. Gonna slide it out. Okay. Put the box away. I don't think there was anything else. Yeah, it's all clear and nice. Okay. Okay, so here is the bag itself. So it's in this plastic bag. It's branded as DJi, as you guys can see. So let's open it up. All right. Okay, so it's like a camera bag. Very nice and small, as you guys can see. We also have this tape here that's protecting the handle, I guess. I don't want to rip it, but it's kind of did it. Okay, I guess I did it anyways. All right. So there goes that. Took the paper away. We've got Mavic. It says it right there. Very nice. This feels like a nice quality, feels like leather, but I don't know if it's actually leather or not. But there it is. Okay, so we've got a nice zipper over here to the front, nice and roomy. Okay, we've got the sides here. I guess maybe we could put like wateries, not the wateries. I was gonna say like maybe water, but then like battery. So we could put like battery packs here, like external, like extra batteries could be on the sides, I'm guessing. unless there's some instructions over here. So here's the, I guess nothing really that important. So the color is apparently called Elegant Black. And here's some more information about the bag. Let's open this up. And we are having this second compartment, which has obviously nothing in it. But I guess this is where I could put the propeller guards. I'm not too sure, but we'll see. Okay. And then over here, we have the other opening, which I guess is where the Mavic Pro goes. We also have this part here. Not sure what this could be used for. Maybe like other camera gear, like SD cards, like GoPro batteries, maybe. I don't know. Something like that. Here we have a strap. Not really gonna open it because I don't think I'm gonna use the strap. But it is there if we need it. And it looks like we got like these silicone gels as well. So, very nice compact bag for sure. Let's go ahead and close it up. And put it aside. And yeah, so I don't know. What about this part here? I'm not sure what that's for, but here it is, you guys. And then the straps, pretty much where you attach them. So next up, let's go ahead and open these propeller guards. Pretty much very nice packaging. Okay, and it's super lightweight. And I don't think there's any seal whatsoever. And all we get, looks like, is some instruction for the propeller guards. Okay, let's put that aside. All right, and then we also have the 2 propeller guards. They kind of open. Nice foam over here to protect them. Let me just move it out. And honestly, I can already tell the propeller guards, there's no way they will fit inside this front compartment I was speaking of earlier. There's no way. So I apologize for that. Here's the second one. So one on each side. Let's open this up. There we go. Take the foam out. Go ahead and throw them in the bag. I mean the box. And put the box aside. All right. So pretty much the same thing again. Just opens up like this. And then it gets installed onto the drone itself. Let's put these away and get to the main drone. So here is the Mavic Pro itself. Let's go ahead and open it up. I think, yeah, so I think the way it opens is I need to like probably cut something here. Yep, there's a seal right over here, which goes all around, I mean all across here. There we go. Okay. And then we need to push this down, I guess, or not at all. And it opens up. And then there's this thing here, which is holding it back, but there it is. Okay, so it opens up nicely, just like that, okay? So the first thing we have is the remote control itself, which is right over here. Opens up like that. All right. These also open up here, so that could have a phone in there. There's also the lightning connector over here, as you guys can see. Okay, USB port there. Again, I'm not super familiar with this, as it's more just to show you guys what's in the box. We've got some more buttons over here. Very good quality feeling for sure. All right, there it is. This is also, I think, to maybe swap it with like a, maybe like a, for something that's capable with Android phones, because it looks like the default here is a lightning port for the iPhones, okay? So that being said, let's go ahead and close these up. There we go, clicks in place to just lock it in. I don't know if it's supposed to click. I guess it does. There we go. All right, so it gets there. Very nice. We've got the record button as well. Looks like to take a picture maybe. Not too sure. But yeah, so let's put that aside for now. We got this nice foam that the remote control was on it. Next up here, we've got some instructions. Let's open it up. Okay. We've got some quick start guides. in the box. Yep, so it pretty much shows what comes in the box. We also have the Intelligent Flight Battery Safety Guidelines, Disclaimer and Safety Guidelines. We also have the DJi Care Refresh. Let's put these away. Okay. So here is the drone itself. I'm going to put this aside. All right. Underneath, away from this foam, there are these bags. Feels very good. Looks like it's the propellers. And nothing here really, just the sticky foam that apparently I could lift, but oh well. Let's put the propellers away for now. And here we have, looks like mini USB port cable, some more silica gel. And then over here seems to be a mini USB and also USB-C for the devices that you might use with this other than the iPhones, okay? So over here we got the power cable, which I'm assuming is to charge the battery. And lastly, we do have the battery charger brick, has DJi right over there. And that looks to be it. So let's go ahead and put these away. So let's put the drone over here, and here it is. So we've got the propellers over here. Just open it up. Should slide right out. There it is. Okay, open this one up. There we go. And here is the drone itself, okay? So we've got the turn on off, on and on button right over there. This, as far as I know, is the battery. So let's go ahead and open it up. Opens up very nicely, as you guys can see. And these two are actually extra propellers, okay? Because it looks like there's already two propellers that are already attached to the drone itself, as you guys can see right over here, okay? So we also get two extra propellers for the drone itself, okay? This here, I think, is how we will remove the battery, which goes off right like this. Okay, you just push these two parts. And without the battery, the drone feels a lot lighter. And then using the power charger, it kind of connects over to this side, looks like. Okay. But yeah, that's the battery. On and off is also here, as you guys can see. All right, so let's go ahead and put that back. Okay. And the next thing we have here is the like a rubber cover for the camera, and I think this is also something we need to take off. There's this clip over here, push it towards you, and then looks like pops out like so. We've got the gimbal over here, okay, and then we also got these sensors over here to detect objects as well on the bottom as well. So let's go ahead and put that back. So one side has this white circle where the other one doesn't. I'm going to quickly look at the instructions so make sure I don't do any mistake. All right, so it could have been a lot smarter, but as you guys can see, what it says is to match the colors towards the propellers. So with the white outline, it will go here, where the other one does not have a white outline, okay? So let's go ahead and do that. So it attaches, I guess, like so. So we put it in and then push it down, twist it to the right because it didn't go left. And I guess that's how they are securely attached. Same thing over here. And there it is. So, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing for the DJi Mavic Pro Costco bundle. So here's pretty much everything we get. I guess I could put these two bags there, which I can store the extra propellers, but that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please check out my channel if you're new, and also check out my sister's channel. The link is in the description. And that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.